And then the third. And after this I beheld and see another, like a leopard, which had on the back of it 4 wings of a fowl, and the beast had also 4 heads, and dominion was given to it. Under the leadership of Alexander the Great, Greece conquered Medo-Persia in the year 331 BC. Alexander only had 40,000 men. The Persians were 1,000,000. But Alexander conquered them. He went on to take one nation after the other in a very short span of time. And that's why this beast has 4 wings, referring to the speed with which Alexander the Great simply flattened everything in front of him. At the age of 33, he cried because there was nothing more for him to conquer. He marched up to the boundaries of India for 7 years non-stop, just carried on and never returned home. And in the end, many of his soldiers did not want to go with him anymore. He contracted malaria, fell into a drunken state, and he was lying in the same hall where the fingers wrote on the wall, Mina, Mina, Tekel, Upharsin. He's lying there on his deathbed. His 4 generals come to him into the room, and they ask him, to whom is he going to give the kingdom of Greece? And he answers them, to the one of you that is the strongest. They cannot determine which one is the strongest. In the end, the kingdom of Greece is split into 4 sections, each general getting a quarter of the kingdom. That's why this leopard has 4 heads.